Hey beauties, so today we're doing this smoked out wing with the new Morphe 35G palette. Some of you guys wanted to see a different look with the Morphe 35G palette, so I did this look for you. If you want to see how to get it, then just keep watching. I'm starting out with this color right here. I'm going to just blend that right in the crease. I've been seeing some comments about the shimmer shades in this palette not being very pigmented, and I didn't notice at first. I didn't swatch them all when I got it, but it's kind of true. Like, they don't have as much pigment as some other Morphe palettes do, the shimmers, so it's pretty weird. I don't know if it was like a pressing situation, but yeah, I noticed that. I'm going to take this brown right here, a little bit darker, and I'm just going to put that on the outer edge. I'm going to apply that right on the outer edge and blend that in also. Just really smoke it out. I want it to be really nice and smoky. And I have no idea where I'm going with this look, but I know I want it to be like neutral and smoky, and I might do like a wing, like a smoky wing. I might do that. I'm gonna take a little black and I'm gonna just put that on the outer edge and also like on the lower lash line a little bit, but for now I'm gonna keep it on the outer edge. I think I'm gonna do like a smoky wing, but I want it to deepen up the outer part first. My scarf is blocking my ears, so I can't even tell how loud I'm talking right now. Hopefully I'm not yelling, but probably not, because I don't really talk loud in general. I'm going to just blend that black into the gold. This is such a pretty color. So taking the dark brown, I'm just going to smoke that out. I'm taking black and I'm going to go a little closer. I'm going to use the MAC Blacktrack Eyeliner. I haven't used this in a while. Ooh, she's dry. It's so dry. I'm going to try wetting it, see what happens. I'm taking more black shadow and just gonna buff out the liner just to smoke it out some more. I'm just taking some concealer. I'm gonna put some mascara on and some lashes. So I'm going to add on my lashes and stuff, and then I'll be back. So I did my base. It's going to be in another video if you want to see how I did it. It's a Jackie Aina inspired foundation combination. So for my lower lash, I'm going to do the same smoky situation with these two shades, the dark brown and the black. These two right here. That's what we're going to do. Don't make my ashy fingers. My husband definitely left work at 5 and it's 6 o'clock, like what are you? Alright, so I'm going to start with the brown. Oh, this is too big. Okay. So I'm starting with the brown, and I'm using this Luxie brush because it's not super big. It's like smaller, medium-sized blending brush. And we're going to just smoke that out. So next we're going to take black. I'm going to take this black Caviar from Mercier in Tuxedo. just to add some more darkness. And I'm taking the Fenty liner. I just wanted something to go closer in, and like liquid liner is best for that. I'm taking the bronze from Aina and Artist Couture. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. I use that highlighter on my nose as well. If you want to see the full face video, I will link that down below once it is uploaded. Actually, probably be up before this video, but I will leave the face video down below so you can see it. Maybe I should do a little brow bone highlight too. I actually hate putting eyeshadow under my brow bone, but loose highlighter, ooh girl, I just feel like it blends in a lot better, especially this color, like the bronze. It looks so nice. Let's just add some mascara down here. Nice and black. For my lips, I'm going to use MAC's Chestnut, my favorite. So for lipstick, I'm going to use Metro from Mercier. This is my new favorite gloss formula, Artist Couture. Ooh, girl, get you some. Get all of them. I feel like I haven't done many smoked out wings, but this is about to be my new thing. Like, I'm really digging this. If you love this look, give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know if you want to see anything else in particular on my channel. Oh gosh, no. Let me know if you want to see anything else in particular on my channel so I can do that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!